wanna take you on my mind. Just wanna keep moving on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanna get you back in me. And make you think about the memories. I heard you like let me set you free. Wish you could be my dirty little secret. Be my dirty deal. Baby, till you fall asleep.
Today.
Thank you so much for a compliment.
Alright, so are you nervous? Excited?
I'm excited.
Second runner-up of Miss KYF 2024, Miss Sudita Intibi. Come on everybody, put your hands together for the second runners-up of Miss KYF 2024.
The wall, my size is smaller,